Assalamu alaikum 3 class. Today we are going to start new chapter, that is unit number 7, water. Students, first thing you have to know that about water is it's really important thing for any living thing to survive in the world. Water is very necessary thing for any living thing. Clear? Because every animal, every living thing is made up of water. 80% body of any living thing is made up of water. Even that we are, as a human being, our body is made of water, that is 80%. Clear? Our 70% of our brain is also made up of water. Now you can realize that how much water is important for us. Clear? The first thing to know about water is that all living things need water to survive. That makes it the most important thing on water. Dear students, all life needs water. About 3/4 of the earth is covered in water. Students, if I say that this is the earth, consider this is the earth and these are the 4/4. You know that very well, that this part is a quarter. So 3/4, 1, 2, 3. 3/4 of the earth is covered with water, and only 1/4 is our land. Clear? But students, you know 75% of the earth is made up of water. 97% of the earth's water is not suitable for drinking, and 3% is only used for drinking. 75% of the water is frozen in the polar region. We are using water that we are drinking, fresh water, is only 3%, and we have 75% water on our earth. And from this water, 97% is not suitable for drinking, because that is a polluted water and we are polluting it. So this is not good for us. But the surface of the earth is not only thing that is about 3/4 of water. In these lines, it means to say that not only the earth is covered with water, our human body is also made up of water. Our body has also 80% water. Our brain has also made up of 70% of water. So we can say that it is very important part of a living thing. So is the human body. That's right, most of the human body is made up of water. In fact, all living things have a large amount of water in them. So when they lose water through heat or for any other reason, that water needs to be replaced. Students, if we have less amount of water or in our body, it must be replaced. अगर हमारी बॉडी के अंदर पानी की कमी हो जाती है तो ये हमारे लिए बहुत ज़्यादा डेंजरस हो सकती है. वी कैन डाई अगर हमारी बॉडी में पानी की कमी हो जाती है, जिसे हम डिहाइड्रेशन कहते हैं. सो फ्रॉम दिस वी कैन रियलाइज दैट वाटर इज़ रियली इम्पॉर्टेंट फॉर अस. Life only exists on Earth because water remains liquid at the temperatures found on Earth. You know that why we are living on the Earth. There we have 8 planets in our solar system. We have 8 planets in our solar system. Only one planet, that is the Earth, on which we are living. Why? Because there is water on Earth. No other planet in the solar system have water. So life only exists on Earth because of the water. As a liquid, it can carry nutrients to living things. If water is there, life can exist on there, because water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen we need to breathe, and water can carry the nutrients that we are using for in daily life. Clear? Now, how old is the water in your glass? If you it is a simple activity. Take a water in a glass and put in front of you. You will think that how old is the water. So if with the we can say, according to scientists, it will be very old. Why? Because here, place a glass of water in front of you. Now look at it. How old do you think the water is? Well, scientists believe that the amount of water on the earth today is the same amount that was on the earth when the dinosaurs were around and even before then, which means that water in your glass is millions and millions of the year. Students, it means to say that according to scientists, जो पानी है वो उतना ही पुराना है, उतना ही ये कह लें उसकी भी जो प्रीवियस, अगर हम पीछे जाते हैं तो उसकी भी हिस्ट्री उतनी ही पुरानी है जितनी कि अर्थ की है. तो अर्थ की हिस्ट्री तो बहुत पुरानी है. मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ द ईयर ओल्ड इज़ आवर अर्थ. सो वाटर इज़ ऑल्सो मिलियंस एंड मिलियंस ऑफ द ईयर ओल्ड. Clear, students? Now pick up your notes. Water. Question number 1. Which is the most important thing on the earth? Answer is here. How much part of the earth is covered with water? Answer is here. Why life only exists on earth? Explain. Question number 4. How old do you think the water is? Answer is here. These are the 4 questions related to your topic, so learn them very carefully. Thank you so much.